Don't worry, little one. We're all safe together.
I love you both.
Sleep, my darling, sleep. Let you dream of a warm house.
Come on, son. Let's catch breakfast.
Yes, Papa. Look at the big fish.
Wow, look at all the colors down here.
Yeah, and so many fish. Let's go explore.
Good idea. Stay close.
What's that big thing on the bottom? Let's go see.
Can we go in?
Let's check carefully. Ready to see inside, son?
Yes, Dad, let's go.
All right, I've got you.
Wow, it's so cozy in here.
This can be our new home.
We'll need to clean all this web.
Spider friends.
Papa scared a spider.
We'll clean this up. It's our new home.
Let's clean this mess, son.
Spider web party.
Easy now.
Papa, look, I got a big web.
Almost full. One more scoop.
I'm cleaning too. Eek.
You okay, little explorer? Come here.
All right, let's get this place sparkling.
You got it, boss.
Back and forth. Don't forget the corners.
On it.
Great job. Now the tough spot.
Piece of cake.
Teamwork wins.
Fine.
It's so clean, Papa.
One more turn. Got it.
My turn, Papa.
Easy there, little mechanic.
It slipped.
Hold it steady now.
I am. Is it working?
Almost. One more turn.
Yay, we did it.
Good job. Now let's check the porthole.
Wow, look at the fish. This one goes here.
Good job stacking them neatly.
We're making space.
Shiny, shiny.
Good coverage, almost new.
Hey, my tail's shining now.
Papa looks fancy.
It's all done, like brand new.
Wow, so shiny.
Time to clean, partner.
Okay, I'm scrubbing the bubbles.
You're doing great. Have another cloth.
Thanks. I'm making it sparkle. Sorry, Papa, but you're shiny now.
Careful now, seal all the cracks in the windows.
Right. These cracks look tricky. Okay, this side is sealed.
Good, now for the other window.
On it.
Whoa!
Oh, that's too much.
You turned me into a cream pie! From here to here, 10 feet 6 inches.
I'm holding tight.
One more level and strong.
Holding tight.
Curve fits perfectly. Next one.
Holding steady.
Push it deep. Good insulation.
Papa looks like cotton candy.
You little troublemaker, but good push. Align it here. Perfect. I'm holding it straight.
Okay, son, hold it steady now.
I'm on it, Dad.
That's it. Perfect. Next one.
Wow, it's flush. We did it.
Last one. Almost there.
It's so smooth now.
All right, insulation next.
I'm ready.
Push it in gently. Ceiling is fully insulated. Warm and quiet now.
We did it, Papa.
Curve matches perfectly. Next screw here. Holding it steady. Even coat looking bright.
Painting the wall white.
Nail it solid. Good frame.
Level perfect. Level good.
Fits perfectly, ready for mounting.
Stretch it nice and straight, good length. I'm holding it tight.
Tighten this one, secure.
Holding clips.
Level, secure it here. Holding steady. Whoa!
Oops, sorry, Papa.
No harm done, little helper. Mounted secure, now the power.
It's glowing, Pa.
One more nail, solid corner.
Holding it straight. One horse, perfect fit.
Holding it steady.
Up we go.
It's so soft.
Perfect fit, our bed is ready. Secure it here, almost done.
Holding level.
It looks pretty.
Almost there, perfect.
This one goes here.
Everything is ready. Time to call Mama.
Yes, let's make her a big surprise. Mama, come with us. We have a big surprise for you. Really? Show me.
There it is, our beautiful home.
It's glowing so pretty. Wow, lights and corals.
We did this for you.
Surprise, Mama.